In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square to QuickBooks Online. If you want your sales data to move more smoothly between platforms and reduce manual bookkeeping, this setup can save you time and help keep your records organized. I'll walk you through the connection process clearly so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. Start by going to QuickBooks Online and signing into your account. Once you're in the main dashboard, look for the integration section. This is where QuickBooks lets you discover and manage connected apps and services that work with your account. After you click Integrations, choose Explore Integrations. This will open the App Marketplace area inside QuickBooks where you can search for tools that connect with your bookkeeping workflow. In the search bar, type Square, give it a moment to load the results, then look for the option called Square Connector by QuickBooks. Click on Square Connector by QuickBooks to open the app details page. This page gives you the option to begin the connection. When you're ready, click Get Integration Now. QuickBooks will then guide you through a permissions prompt asking you to allow data sharing between the two platforms. Read through the permissions carefully so you understand what information will sync, then approve the prompt to continue. Next, you'll need to authenticate your Square account. This usually means signing into Square and confirming that you want to let QuickBooks access the account for integration purposes. Make sure you're connecting the correct Square account, especially if you manage more than one business location or profile. Once authentication is complete, you'll move into the sync settings. This is an important part of the process because it controls how your data will flow between Square and QuickBooks Online. Take your time here and review the available options carefully. Depending on what appears in your setup, you may be able to choose how transactions are categorized, how often syncing happens, or which accounts are used for sales-related entries. The goal is to make sure the connection matches the way you want your books organized. After that, review everything before starting the sync. Double check that the right accounts are connected and that your settings look accurate. When everything looks good, go ahead and begin the sync. At that point, QuickBooks and Square should start working together based on the settings you selected. If the sync doesn't appear right away, give it a little time and refresh the page. Once connected, you'll be in a much better position to keep your financial data updated with less manual effort.